How do you turn off or change the color? How do you change the color of your taskbar? Now that's something that's very tricky, right? By default, when you change the theme of your window, the entire theme is applied on all of your Windows interface. However, there is a small trick that you can use to change just the color of your taskbar, and doesn't come very easy to understand. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change the color of your taskbar very quickly and very easily with a very small trick. If you are interested in learning that, watch the video till the end and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to learn more about Windows tips and tricks. Let's begin. And now, in order to change the color of this particular taskbar without affecting your entire Windows or doing anything crazy, let's just come inside the settings. By default, when you're inside the settings, you will be presented with the default window. Here, just click on the personalization. Once inside here, this is where you change the default theme of your entire window. Now, you would have noticed that when you change the theme, actually it does change the theme. However, it changes the entire color with that particular theme. So once we are here, all you need to do is now go inside your colors and themes. Within these colors and themes, you have something called choose your mode. Now, by default, it is in light mode. If you choose the dark mode, you will know that entire Windows would appear in a darker mode. However, we want to leave everything in the normal light mode, but just change the color of your taskbar. By default, it doesn't come in the light mode. Do remember, you cannot change the taskbar color if you're just in the lighter mode. However, the trick here is go inside the custom mode. Once you are in the custom mode, there are two options that pops up. Choose your default Windows mode and choose your default app mode. Now, currently we are in app mode here, and this is the default Windows mode here, right? So some default Windows apps would be different in color, whereas apps would be different in color. That's the trick here. So in here, we would leave the default apps mode to light so that everything appears in the light mode. However, the default Windows mode would needs to be changed into something called dark. Now, you can only change the taskbar color once you are in a Windows default dark mode. Only then this option would pop up here, which can be changed, show accent colors on the taskbar. If you don't do that, for example, if I change it back to light, I would assume that if you come down, then this option would not be there for selection. You cannot change that. So by default, it's off. For whatever reason that Windows might thought that let's not do that in the light mode. However, you can do it in a dark mode. Just click on the dark mode here, choose the default Windows app mode. Once this is in the dark mode, now you would see that this option is available. Let me just click on turn it on. Once you turn it on, now you can change your color. So now even though your windows might appear in a different color, however, you can change your taskbar color and you can click on view colors to choose from various different assorted colors, or just choose it from this panel here. And now your Windows taskbar is of a different color as compared to your normal Windows. So if you choose on a normal Windows, it appears in a white. However, the taskbar is of a different color. Very simple, neat trick that you can use to switch between different colors. Okay, so the trick again is going into custom, choosing your dark mode for your Windows mode, and then turning this option on. Once this option is on, now you have various different options to choose your theme from, and then you can use any particular color that appears more appealing to you, and then you can change it from here. I hope you like this trick. Leave your comments below, hit that like button, tell me what you liked about this thing, and if there any other way you might have done it, we will try to share it with you.